A very good morning to all the children of class 4, and I welcome you to your English language class. This is the part 2 of singular and plural nouns. So children will quickly revise the rules today. That is, most nouns add s to form plural. Nouns that end with sh, ch, xz or s adds es. Nouns end with vowel and a y adds s. Nouns end with consonant and a y, the y changes to I and then adds es. Nouns that ends with f or fe changes f or fe to ves. Nouns ends with vowel and a o adds s, and noun ends with consonant and a o adds es. Okay. So today we will be seeing the next page, that is page number 39. Before that, we'll revise this, that a noun that denotes or points out one person, place or thing is called a singular noun. And the noun that denotes more than one person, place or thing, it's a plural noun. So let's see the example. A puppy is playing with the ball. Two puppies are playing with a ball. Now see, the helping verb is also changing. In the sentence number 1, the puppy is playing, right? Here in sentence number 2, puppies are playing. So when you change, when it is said that from singular to plural, we are also keeping in mind about the helping verb, that is from is to are or was to were. Okay. Number 3, I ate a dish of fruits. Number 4, I ate many dishes of fruits. Okay, dish becomes dishes and puppy becomes puppies. In sentence 1 and 2, puppy is a singular noun and puppies is a plural noun. And in sentence 2 and 4, dish is a singular noun, dishes is a plural noun. Today we will be seeing some examples or words which is according to rule number 2, that is noun that ends with sh, ch, x, z or s, which is added to es. So this is from your book itself, so don't get confused because this is from your book and you don't need to learn anything from outside because the book words are enough. So here class becomes classes, glass becomes glasses, bus becomes buses, brush becomes brushes, watch becomes watches, bench becomes benches, box becomes boxes, taxes, kisses, dish dishes, bushes, peaches, losses, foxes, catches, matches, bunches, beaches. Okay. So if we want to make sentence with beach or beaches, we will say with the plural, that is we went or we visited many beaches in India. Okay. Nouns ending in y with a consonant before the y, that is rule number 4, that is consonant plus y change to ies. Yes. So army becomes armies, baby becomes babies, body bodies, city cities, copy copies, country countries, cry cries, duty duties, diary diaries, dairy dairies, family families, fly flies, fairy fairies, lady ladies, lily lilies, pony becomes ponies, reply becomes replies, story becomes stories. Okay, so you will learn this page, everybody, children, you will learn this page number 39. Then we will proceed with the next rules and next words. First you learn this page and you will also learn page 38. Okay, so that's all for today, children. We'll get back in the next video.